This is Pinky. She's in our customer service, so she greets customers. When you come to SignZone, you don't have to go anywhere else. People come with a project, we take care of the design aspect, the permit, manufacturing, installation, and final inspections. Because of the machinery we have and the craftsmanship, we can make really precise letters. We specialized in electrical channel letters, architectural signage, ADA signage, large format digital printing, like wall graphics, banners, billboards, vehicle graphics, large format graphics on the buildings.
It's a layout of a logo. It's like a floor plan of a basketball court.
Sometimes clients go to the city by themselves and they talk to the planning department, but city is never going to advise you how to make your sign. That's when we come in place. We come up with the idea and design, and our existing customers know that already. If they call us, they don't even have a doubt that we're going to find a solution. You want to be on the camera?